So I'll bring this dou I by dou z to left hand side. After bringing it to left hand side, the remaining term what you have is here, that is V of g or Vg plus dou V by dou z into g delta z. Then one more term of capacitance, that is C delta Z dou V by dou T. Sorry, dou V by dou T plus you have
Ma'am, delta Z got cancelled, ma'am.
yeah, it'll be 0 here. I did not write it, no, so I was just writing. So here you have an delta Z. What is one more term remaining here? After you delete, that is C dou V by dou T, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, plus you have C into dou V of, sorry, Z, this is not that, dou Z, this delta Z. Okay, done, right? Only this much. Okay. Now, since this delta Z will go to 0, this particular term will be 0 and this particular term will be 0. So, you will be left out with, we will be left out with minus dou I by dou Z, which is equal to GV plus C into dou V by dou T. This is, make this equation as 2. Any confusions? Please let me know if you have not understood. Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After 1 and 2 equations, what you have, the next equation, what you're doing is, you need to differentiate this. So differentiate the equation, that is first equation which you have taken with respect to Z. So first, what is the first equation you have? I'll remove this. I mean, I'll clear this equations. What was the first equation you have written? Minus dou V by dou Z is equal to Ri plus L into dou I by dou T. Now this equation what you have to differentiate with respect to Z. So if you differentiate with respect to Z, there will be double differentiation. So it is minus dou square V by dou Z square, which is equal to R into dou I by dou Z, dou I by dou Z plus L into dou I by, this is dou Z, so you'll have dou Z as well as dou T. So second step, you need to write down there, differentiating with respect to Z. Okay. After this, substitute equation 2 in equation 3. Make this equation as 3 and substitute it. So when you substitute it, it will be minus dou square V by dou Z square plus, sorry, which is equal to R. This whole equation what you have, dou I by dou Z, it will be minus, I'll take it outside, GV plus C dou V by dou T. This is the second equation, plus again L into dou by dou T. I'll take it outside. Remaining will be with respect to, sorry, this is dou square. So one more equation what you have inside will be now dou I by dou z. Here also you substitute the equation 2. So the whole equation will be minus r whole negative, you can take it outside, gv plus c dv by dt of negative of this, plus from this also I'll take the negative outside, so that I've written it outside here, L dou by dou t. This is also gv plus c dou v by dou t. Any confusions, please tell me. Dou square v by dou z square. This negative will cancel. So you have dou square v by dou z square is equal to, multiply this, rgv plus rc dou v by dou t plus L g dou v by dou t, because those are primary constants. Only v and I are the things which will change with respect to time. So dou square v by dou t square. So the final equation you have dou square v by dou z square plus rgv plus rc dou v by dou t plus lg dou v by dou t plus lc dou square v by dou t square. Any confusions are there to solve this? Now this equation can also be written, because dou v by dou t there it is common. So you can write it as dou v by dou z square is equal to rgv plus rc plus lg into dou v by dou t plus lc dou square v by dou t square. Now this equation what you have, this is the equation of voltage, that is transmission line equation in terms of voltage. Write down near to that, transmission line equation of voltage, or it is also called as wave motion equation. Completed?
What is it also called, ma'am?
It is also called as wave motion equation.
Okay.
Now, similarly, what you have done for voltage equation now, current equation you have to differentiate with respect to t. Similarly, how you have done for voltage. Once you have completed, now start doing, take the equation that is, I think current equation you have given equation number 2. I'll clear this screen. Consider equation 2, second equation. That equation you differentiate with respect to z, then substitute it. You have an equation that is second equation minus dou I by dou z is equal to gv plus c into dou v by dou t. Now differentiate with respect to z. Differentiate with respect to z. So the equation what you have here is minus dou square I by dou z square is equal to g dou v by dou z plus c dou square v by dou z dou t. Again, substitute here, make this equation, previous equation you gave the equation number as 4, the final equation of transmission line. This equation you give the equation as 5, which is equal to, here substitute equation 1 in equation 5. So you have dou v by dou z. So this equation will be g dou v by dou z equation, there is negative of, so take the negative term outside because it is given in the equation as minus dou v. So this will be minus r I plus L dou I by dou t plus C into dou by dou t. Again inside you have dou v by dou z. Substitute again the equation. So which is equal to minus g. Whole negative you can take it. One is from this and one you already have it here. So this will be minus dou I square divided by dou z square. This negative and this negative will cancel. Will remain with r I plus L dou I by dou t. You please make it, write down properly, plus C dou by dou t of, here it is r I plus L into dou I by dou t. Now simplify this. Which is the next tower you have? So if I write it, dou square I by dou z square, it is G R I plus G L dou I by dou t plus C R or R C dou I by dou t plus L C dou square I by dou t square. So final equation, you can see there are dou I by dou t which is common. You can take dou I by dou t together and write down the final equation as, so this will be dou I divided by dou I square divided by dou z square, G R I plus G L or L G plus R C into dou I by dou t plus L C dou square I by dou t square. Make this equation as 6. Now this equation is the transmission line equation of current. You can see the variation itself. If it is dou I by dou t, then it will be current equation. If it is dou v by dou t, then it will be voltage equation. This is wave motion equation in current. So this till here you have to derive if they ask you to do the or if they ask you the question of transmission line equation of current and voltage.